Ever wondered how malware works and how it can be analyzed? Get ready to study malware in this video and crack the code to become a cybersecurity pro. Let's start with what malware is and why learning malware analysis is crucial for cybersecurity. Malware refers to any intrusive software developed by cybercriminals to steal data and damage or destroy computers or computer systems. The common malware, such as viruses, spyware, and ransomware, poses significant threats to individuals, organizations, and even nations. 72% of all organizations globally fell prey to ransomware in 2023, with the average cost of $4.54 million per attack, according to IBM Security. By studying malware, you gain insight into how malware operates, identify the type of malware, its capabilities, and potential harm it can cause. The knowledge helps you to develop effective defense mechanisms and proactively countering cyber threats. Do you know how many malwares are detected daily? 560,000 new pieces of malware are detected daily, and over 1 billion malware programs exist. Therefore, malware is one of the top cybersecurity threats in 2024, which is easy for sophisticated hackers. However, it's not easy to identify and resolve malware incidents without proper tools and experience. Malware incidents are the #1 concerns of C executives because only 8% of businesses who paid ransom got their data back. The fact is, you cannot trust criminals. Instead, you should develop proactive strategies to detect and prevent malware infections. Studying malware is essential for enhancing defense against these emerging threats. Malware analysis is a process that enables security teams to understand the purpose and behavior of a suspicious file. Let's explore the various techniques employed in malware analysis, then showcase real-life examples of malware analysis using free tools. There are 3 methods for malware analysis. Each has its pros and cons. #1, static malware analysis. This technique analyzes a malware file without executing it. Security researchers gather information about the suspicious file by examining its code and libraries. The static information can provide a context for malware behavior, which can be weaponized against malware. #2, dynamic malware analysis. This technique executes suspicious files in an isolated environment, such as sandbox, to analyze the malware in action. Dynamic malware analysis is particularly helpful for discovering sophisticated attacks and identifying new threats that have not been discovered. #3, hybrid malware analysis. This technique combines other 2 techniques to examine suspicious file in depth. It consolidates runtime data with a memory dump analysis to extract all possible execution pathways, even for the most evasive malware. Enough with theory, let's try free malware analysis tools. I'll show you 2 different tools. One online services and the other is a command line tool. VirusTotal is a free online service that analyzes files and URLs, making it possible to identify malicious content detectable by antivirus and website scanners. It is composed of strong contributions from the cybersecurity community and provides a community API for integration. You can upload a suspicious file into VirusTotal. In the Detection tab, you can see the name of different security vendors that file scans against their signatures. The Details tab shows the basic information such as file type, hashes, and history of that file. In a Relation tab, It lists connected IP addresses. These IP addresses shows how the suspicious file communicates with its creator. In the Behavior tab, you can see the malware capabilities, techniques used in the code, and the communication. Another tool that could help you study malware analysis is Kappa. Kappa is an open source command line tool that could be downloaded from Git. You can clone it to your machine or download it as a zip file. In Linux, it can be executed as a Python program, passing suspicious files and the rule as arguments in runtime. It analyzes and shows the report in the command line. The report provided by Kappa is similar to Virus Total Report. Have you ever done malware analysis? We'd love to hear your experience in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to explore our channel for more cybersecurity topics.